The next GPU war is not just about higher FPS anymore, it is about who controls the future of gaming itself. On one side, Nvidia is building a world where AI helps create the frame before you even see it. On the other side, AMD is preparing a comeback that could challenge Nvidia where it harks the most price, raw gaming power and value. That is why RTX 6090 versus RX 10000 could become one of the biggest GPU fights in years. This is not a normal upgrade, it is a new direction for PC gaming. Nvidia wants AI to become a major part of every game. AMD has a chance to remind everyone that raw performance, fair pricing, and open features still matter. RTX 6090 could take Nvidia's AI strategy even further. We could see stronger upscaling, better frame generation, improved ray tracing, and more advanced neural rendering. That means future games may look sharper, run smoother, and use AI to improve details that normal hardware cannot handle alone. The RTX 6090 could become a monster for 4K gaming, path tracing, content creation, and AI workloads. It may not just be a faster graphics card. It could be a preview of how Nvidia wants games to be made in the future. Think about a game with realistic lighting, deep shadows, clean reflections, and smooth performance at the same time. This is the dream Nvidia is chasing. The GPU renders part of the scene, then AI helps rebuild and improve the final image. But this also brings a big question. Are gamers buying real performance? Or are they buying smarter generated frames? That question is exactly why RX 10000 matters. AMD does not need to copy Nvidia feature by feature. It needs to give gamers something simple and powerful. Strong FPS, better ray tracing, clean image quality, and a price that does not feel impossible. If RX 10000 can deliver close performance to RTX 6090 while costing less, the whole market changes. Nvidia would still have the software advantage, but AMD could win the value battle. And for many gamers, value is what matters most. Because not everyone wants the most expensive GPU in the world. Many people just want a card that runs their game smoothly, looks great, stays reliable, and does not destroy their budget. That's where AMD has a real opening. RX 10000 could become the card series for gamers who want power without paying luxury prices. Better raster performance, improved ray tracing, smarter upscaling, and aggressive pricing could make it a serious threat. And this kind of pressure is good for everyone. When AMD competes hard, Nvidia has to respond. That can mean better prices, better features, and stronger GPUs for all gamers, even the ones who still choose Nvidia. This is why RTX 6090 versus RX 10000 is bigger than benchmarks. It is really two different ideas fighting each other. Nvidia is betting an AI-first future where the GPU does more than render. It predicts, rebuilds, sharpens, and generates parts of the experience. AMD is fighting for a future where real gaming power, smart software, and better pricing still have a place. AI can make games look better. Frame generation can make games feel smoother. Upscaling can help weaker hardware survive longer. But raw power still matters. Low latency still matters. Image quality still matters. Price definitely matters. The best GPU is not always the one with the biggest number. It's the one that gives the best balance of speed, visuals, features, power use, and price. If RTX 6090 lands strong, it could become the dream card for people who want the absolute best. It could push high-end gaming into a new AI-powered era. But if RX 10000 lands strong, AMD could finally bring serious pressure back to the high-end GPU market. And that would be huge, because PC gamers need real competition more than ever. So this battle is not just Nvidia versus AMD. It is Nvidia's AI future versus AMD's chance to bring value and raw gaming strength back into the spotlight. For now, details around RTX 6090 and RX 10000 are still based on leaks, reports, and rumors, so take everything with caution until the official reveal. But one thing is clear, the next GPU battle could shape the future of PC gaming. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments, which side are you choosing? Nvidia RTX 6090 or AMD RX 10000?